Guys, what's going on? Rhett here, back down in Birmingham, looking at a property that a client just purchased on Monday of this week, so 2 days ago. It is yet to be rehabbed. Our contractor's starting on it this afternoon. I wanted to get down here before the rehab takes place so we can do one of those cool before and after videos. Down here in Birmingham, purchase price was for $52,000 on this house. Come on in. Now guys, there's no electricity here, so bear with us, okay? We got one light there and I got a flashlight, but you know, it's gonna be tough. So kind of walking in right here, guys, this is just kind of an add-on deck area that's been carpeted, okay? We're gonna rip this carpet up. The carpet stinks. We're gonna try and make this video fairly quick, only because there's black mold in here and it stinks, but that's all right because when there's moisture, that's just something that comes with moisture is mold. So not a big deal, not terrible if you're in here just for a little bit amount of time, which we're going to be. So we're gonna rip up all these carpets, which will get some of that stink out of here as well. Put laminate flooring down in here, okay? Moving into what I think is the living room, we actually have another door here that's dead bolted. So that's how you know that this was kind of an exterior wall and this is, the room you're in right now is kind of an add-on. This is kind of a second exterior door, okay? So you come in here, it's all new weatherproofing, right? It's always funny in some of these houses that are about to, you know, need rehabbing, and it's funny the things that people spend money on. So come on in here, guys. So kind of tough to see because it's unbelievably dark, but we have wood floors, as is the norm, like we talked about, people painting over them. They're painted black, I don't know why. You see we have some serious mold on the wall right here. There is, that's obviously from water damage. Old windows right here, that used to be the front of the house, right? This is that front wall. Old windows that are boarded over, not a big deal. We can make that look good. But if you guys turn around and look at this wall, and I'm not sure if you can see it in the dark, but the wall's bubbling, okay? So what's happening is the moisture in here is causing the paint to bubble on the wall. So another telltale sign of water damage. Okay, every one of these walls, the paint is bubbling. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on the video, but it's evident in person. So we move on from this living room into another living room, guys. We're gonna move through here quick because you get black mold all over the ceiling here. Try not to breathe too much, but get a good, picture of that for everybody. Terrible black mold in there. That's okay. We'll just seal that up, remediate it correctly, and I'm assuming that this house is going to have pretty bad roof damage. Guys, coming in here, no different. If you have mold in one room, you have mold in all of them. You can look down here, and I'm not sure if you can see that, but there are big splotches of black mold under here, and that's, guys, again, just because of that water damage. So nothing out of the ordinary, nothing we're not used to, and nothing we can't fix, okay? Kitchen, this is a sheet flooring. It might look like laminate, it's not. It's vinyl, and we'll rip this up and put laminate down here as well. So guys, coming in here, kind of the same deal. We got vinyl flooring throughout here. We have our hookups. We have our dryer hookup right here. We have our washer and dryer hookup, our washer hookup right there. So this will be great for a tenant. They'll be able to put their dryer in their washer. There is standing water right here. So where could that be coming from? Coming through the dryer vent. That's what it looks like. Kind of standing water. But that's okay, guys. This house is pre-rehab. Needs some work, okay? Nice brand new water heater, which is beautiful. That's a nice way to do it. Okay, guys, kind of working our way back through the kitchen here. We're going to enter into a hallway where we hit a nice little bathroom. Bathroom's in fantastic shape. I'll tell you what's not in fantastic shape. Jack, why don't you take a video of the inside of that wall for everybody? Yeah. No good. That is a lot of mold, ladies and gentlemen. But that's fine. That can be remediated, not a big deal. Guys, come into here into this first bedroom, and this place just gets crazier and crazier. This house is gigantic. We need to replace the walls here. Okay, new paneling on the walls as well as paint. Come through here, and holy cow, what do we have here? I mean, another bedroom is what we have here. Another bedroom, great size. A little bit of water damage on the ceiling, guys. You can see kind of the water patterns that are coming down. We're getting a ton of moisture in this room. You got a closet in here. You've got operational windows, actually brand new aluminum windows there. So because you have operational windows, you actually have 3 points of egress: door, window, and a big closet. It qualifies as a bedroom, and it's an unbelievably good size. So it even has its own entrance and exit off the back of the house. So you have bedroom here, bedroom there, beautiful, right next to a bathroom. Coming through here, guys, through this hallway. We have another big bedroom, okay? Really good size. Again, with the hardwoods painted black. Brand new aluminum windows behind the shades. Closet. Really good sized room, guys. Really, really good sized room. So this is the third bedroom of the house. We're going to come through here, and we're going to enter into the fourth bedroom of the house, guys. So this is a 4-bedroom. We're looking at somewhere between $1,000 and $1,300 in rent, possibly even more if we do Section 8 on this thing down here in Birmingham. You're talking on a low $50,000 investment. It's going to need probably between $10,000 and $15,000 in work. Redoing these floors. Honestly, guys, in a house like this, it might be best to do carpet throughout this whole house. Do laminate maybe in that first room. Do laminate in the kitchen and bathroom. But for the most part, you just carpet over this. You use this hardwood as a subfloor, and you put the carpet on top of this. Hardwood makes a great subfloor. It's obviously not ideal, but when you talk about the price in refinishing and sanding this hardwood, it's just not really worth it. Especially when it's ruined like this. It's all painted over. It's sad. But nice bedroom here, especially for a kid. It could be a playroom if you have a tenant in here that only needs 3 bedrooms. You have a kind of a build out right here for toys, games, books, whatever it may be. Nice big closet in here. Some really nice closet space, guys, in this house. Actually, if you come on over into the hallway over here, you'll see the closet space is unbelievable. This house has a ton of room. This is going to be a fantastic rental. No electricity. Electricity's been shut off in this place, but just a lot of space, a lot of space, lot of closet space, a lot of room, a lot of storage, which is great when you're talking about having a family in a property like this. You're giving people a lot of options for living. You're giving a lot of bedroom options. You're giving a lot of options for playrooms like this, dens, living rooms, kitchen spaces, dining rooms. So a home like this done the right way will be on the market, boom, boom, on, off, quick, quick, quick. And that's what we're looking for. We're looking to get a tenant in here and keep them in here for 20 years. How do you do that? You have a place that can have family gatherings, that can be a center for kind of the rock of the family for the next, hopefully, 30, 40, 50 years. So that is what this house is. It's got bedrooms, it's got space, it's got storage, it has living spaces. It can have a kid's room, it can have a den, it can have a ton of different things. This house is going to be awesome when it's fully finished. You got huge living rooms, high ceilings. This is a really, really good investment. This client is going to be really happy with this thing when it's done. And when you're talking about acquiring a piece of property all in, under $70,000, that is a 4-bedroom, that the options are really kind of limitless as far as what we can do here. And when we do carpet, I don't love carpet per se, but when you have a house that's 1,500 square feet, 1,600 square feet like this, it's cheapest to do carpet, and it makes sense here. I love the idea of doing carpet here. There's already carpet laid. We'll replace the pads where there is carpet. If the subfloor is good, great. My big concern in this house is the mold remediation, which will be no problem for us. We do it all the time. Down in Alabama, you know, it's humid summers. Got to make sure that the houses are really watertight. Otherwise, if any water gets into the house, the summers are so hot that there's so much moisture and heat and humidity created that mold just comes, okay? So we want to make sure we cut down on all the moisture getting into the house. We'll remediate all the mold. We'll make sure the roof is good. We'll make sure the doors are weatherproofed and watertight. And we'll take care of all the windows that need to be replaced. Now, this house has a lot of brand new aluminum windows, which is great. Everything else is just gonna need some paint, right? We got some paint chipping up here. You guys saw that in some of the rooms, the walls are bubbling a little bit. We'll take care of that, we'll paint over that. Over here, you know, we have things like this, guys, kind of normal wear and tear things right here, you know, that need to be painted over. But the good thing is there's not a tremendous amount of water coming through these windows. Despite these windows actually being older, these are actually older wood windows, okay? And then you come over here and you have brand new aluminum windows. So in a bedroom, to pass a Section 8 inspection, all the windows don't need to be waterproofed. Waterproofed. Yeah, they should be waterproofed. They don't need to be usable, okay? You need one window that's usable in every room to pass a Section 8 inspection. You need 2 points of egress, meaning in the case of a fire, you need 2 points of exit, okay? So if these windows don't work, those don't count as an egress. However, you have 2 brand new aluminum windows here. Those both operate fine. So you have your point of egress, meaning this wall right here, and then you have your door. So in case of a fire, there always has to be at least 2 points of egress for it to qualify as a bedroom, and everything needs a closet. Now, the closets here, guys, like we discussed, are huge. They're beautiful, they're big. This will be a great bedroom if the tenant chooses to use this as a bedroom. So guys, hope you enjoyed the tour. You know, if you're still with us, post a comment below. Tell me what you would use this house for, or some ideas that you guys might have on the rehab. And we'll see you next time.